In this video, I am giving information about a beautiful and cute Himalayan rodent animal, Marmota. The scientific name of this animal is a rodent mammal. It belongs to the class Mammalia, and scientific name is the Marmota himalayana. It belongs to the Sciuridae family, means the members of the squirrel family. And unlike the tree squirrels, marmots are ground dwellers. You understand? Like generally, squirrels can climb the large trees, and sometimes they dwell on the ground. But mostly they can climb on the large trees for fruits and seed collection. But this is the Himalayan Marmota species is a ground dweller, and they they live in the burrows, and the Himalayan Marmot, scientific name is the Marmota himalaya, and is a mammal species that inhabits alpine grasslands throughout in the Himalayas and on the Tibetan plateau. There are, the plateau is the landform, like mountain and plain area. The fourth type of that is called the plateau, and marmot is the herbivores, and these herbivores are the heaviest members of the squirrel family. You see, the squirrel is the small, very just like mouse, and mouse like, and one is the Malabar squirrel, is the little Ghent squirrel in the Kerala and Western Ghats region. But here in the northern India, very small, and it is a big, larger, heaviest type of the squirrel. I will give information about its distribution and description, a little about biology and scientific classification and status, conservation status. The Marmota are the large ground squirrels in the genus Marmota, with the 15 species living in Asia, Europe, and North America. And these are herbivores and heaviest members of the squirrel family, and they are active during the summer season, when they can often found in the groups, but not seen during the winter. You see, in the higher elevation, snowfall occurs, and they hibernate in the burrows. So they cannot be seen in the region due to the winter and heavy snowfall. When they hibernate in the winter, they are underground in the burrows. And now, regarding to its description, the marmots are the large rodents. Rodents, the small gnawing animals, just like the mouse and the squirrel. And all rodents have the pair of the upper pair of and lower pair of the teeth. That is called the incisors. And unlike our teeth, the incisors don't have a roots. Simply. And the marmots are the large rodents with characteristic short and robust legs, very pretty types of legs you can see in this video. And enlarged claws are adapted to the digging. They make bore deep inside, and stout bodies and large ears are the characteristic features, and color also varies from the dark brown to the yellow is in color. It depends on the habitat. Much. And the total length varies of the Marmota from 42 to 72 centimeters, and the body mass average about 2 kilogram in the spring observed, and 8 kilometer, 8 kilogram, 2 kilogram in summer, and spring, and 8 kilogram in autumn. And regarding about biology, some species live in the mountainous areas such as the Alps and the Pyrenees in Europe and northwestern Asia, Rocky Mountains, and Black Hills and Pacific Ranges, and Siberia and Nevada in the North America, and Dioisia also in the Pakistan and Ladakh in India, including Ladakh region of the India. And marmots are typically live in the burrows, means rock piles, just the inside in the rock pile area they live, and they hibernate through through the winter season. They do not seen in the summer, except summer. In winter, they was just underground in the holes or burrows. And most marmots are social in social nature and use loud whistles to communicate with another species. When alarmed, means something dangerous, they whistles to the other groups, and they become active. And there are, regarding its classification, it belongs to the class Mammalia and order Rodentia, means rodents group. And the family is Sciuridae, or a squirrel family, and genus is the Marmot, and species is the Himalayana, Marmota, Himalayana, and other is the type species the Marmota, Marmota, because it is Thorington and Hoffman in 2005 divided marmots into the two subgenera, Marmota and Petromarmota, because this species has a wide distribution from Alps mountain of the Europe, North America, and Himalaya regions. So it is it belongs to the two subgenera, Marmota and Petroma, and species are which found in the Himalaya region is the Himalayan Marmot, commonly called Marmota himalayana, and it is listed as a least concerned species because of its wide range and possibly larger population. हिंदी में इसको मार्मोट को जो है फिया कहते हैं। यह एक प्रकार की बड़ी गिलहरी होती है कि जो कि सिर्फ ज़मीन में होती है, पेड़ों पे नहीं चढ़ती है। आपने देखा है गिलहरी की जैसे पूरे भारत में तो अधिकतर ज़मीन में ही चलती रहती है, लेकिन कभी कभी पेड़ों पे भी आप चढ़ते हुए देखते हैं इनको, सीड्स और फ्रूट्स के लिए। और इसी तरह से वेस्टर्न घाट और केरला साइड में एक मालाबार गिलहरी होती है, वो थोड़ा और भी बड़े साइज़ की होती है, लेकिन इससे भी बड़ी ये जो गिलहरी होती है, लेकिन ये सिर्फ ग्राउंडी में होती है और सिर्फ गर्मी के सीज़न में ऊपर हिमालय क्षेत्र में दिखती है। खासकर जैसे हमारे ये उत्तराखंड के तवा घाट रीजन, ये जो कैलाश मानसरोवर वाले एरिया में ये देखी गई है, और इसके अलावा लद्दाख रीजन में मिलती है, और बहुत ये हायर हिमालय में मिलती है, लगभग 2900 से लेकर 3200 मीटर के रेंज में ये मिलती है। 2900 से लेकर 5500 मीटर तक ये हायर हिमालय में मिलती है। और ये इसको जो है हिंदी में फिया के नाम से जाना जाता है हिमालय में। और इसका जो है साइंटिफिक नेम जो है मारमोटा, यानी जैव वैज्ञानिक ये जो मारमोटा जैव वैज्ञानिक गण में यानी कि जेनर के अंदर आती है। और कुछ इसकी जातियाँ जो है पहाड़ी क्षेत्रों में